Included files: The Peaker Problem, an overview of peaker power plant facts and influences in Boston, Philadelphia, and Detroit. This report analyzes the environmental fair treatment and public health and wellness effects of peaker energy vegetations in 3 U.S. areas: Boston, Philadelphia, and It also analyzes the source and minimization devices to decrease electrical power vegetation emissions. It supplies information that can easily notify potential plan action, as properly as recommendations to protect at-risk populations. The publication has been called Peaker Crisis Yearbook. The record likewise gives several scenario studies on trainings new coming from community-led resistance efforts in the 3 cities as well as in New York City and New Orleans. A typical unfavorable judgment of the documents is they are commonly produced to present how social help for legislations versus bullying is winding down. While some of the file states some urban areas where individuals will definitely take activity to cease harassing, others recommend that lots of the project that were triggered in this region have failed. Energy storage for winter grid stability: how batteries ended up being the low-cost solution for power assurance in Massachusetts. Connected Solutions, an assessment for Massachusetts energy storage policy best practices coming from New England, 10 lessons from 6 states. The fossil fuel endgame. Connected Solutions, a new state funding mechanism to create battery storage obtainable to all. This file strives to inform state policymakers about the construct and advantages of the Connected Solution battery storage space plan model. The report describes a number of new components for battery storage access and how we can strengthen battery storage access. It outlines barriers to sizing up circulated electric battery storage, discusses how the Connected Solution system was established in the Northeast, and discusses why the system has been successful. When it initially started in 2011, the net of things is at an all-time high level. It has almost tripled the size of the world, surpassing the entire U.S. economic climate in the initial one-half of 2015. At this aspect, all providers and their linked close friends are attempting to develop far better cloud-connected answers. Also, though clean electricity has come to be extra important in city facilities and suburban areas, the current innovation of solar energy and electricity generation is still not as plentiful in large metropolitan locations as it was in rural and country areas in the very early 1900s. Paying for Resilient Power Fact Sheet. Financing Resilient Power is a groundbreaking humanitarian effort, a $3 million project of the Kresge Foundation to accelerate the market growth of solar plus storage modern technologies in historically underserved communities. Along with the emphasis on technology growth and distribution, the Kresge Foundation makes use of its funding to concentrate on energy effectiveness, power preservation, and electricity safety. The Foundation's expenditure, developed along with Clean Energy Group, which will definitely deal with the attempt, exemplifies the first opportunity a U.S. foundation has devoted to use both its grant-making and endowment sources in a comprehensive method to bring these new tidy energy modern tech. The grant bundle was announced after Clean Energy Group was given $9,084,000 through the Council on American Islamic Relations to spend on the initiative to deal with against environment adjustment around the world.